Guys, welcome to the Develop Mobile Applications channel. Okay, in this tutorial, we are going to learn about the routing and the navigation concept in Angular 11. Okay, but before that, I want to introduce my YouTube channel. So, if you do not subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon. So these are some videos I have created regarding the Angular 11 tutorial, and these are some Ionic 4 tutorial I have created. So if you want to visit my YouTube channel, you can visit it. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, guys. My LinkedIn page, and this is my GitHub page, so you can visit that as well. And this is my website, guys. If you still not visit my website, kindly visit it. There are some awesome tutorial I have right here regarding these all topics. So if you want to learn about more about these topics, then you can visit this my website. So my website name is developmobileapplications.com. Okay, so in this tutorial we are going to learn about routing. Okay, what is routing in Angular? Routing is basically to navigate views. Okay, suppose we want to go from one component to the another components, then we are going to use the router module in Angular. Okay, so we have one file in our application, that is app routing module.ts. so this is the main routing file we are going to use to route from one component to another. But before that, what we are going to do is we are going to create two components. Okay, this is our main component, app component. Okay, and we are going to create here, one is route 1. Okay, route 1 page, and another one is route 2 page. Okay, so what we are going to do is from our root component, we are going to redirect to route page 1 as well as route page 2. Okay, and we are going to do this by using HTML as well as by using the TS file. So how we can redirect? So let's see. Okay, before that we have to create this two component. Okay, so I will write this command to create a component. Okay, ngg generate component in folder we want to create a route page 1. So I have already created a route page 1 as well as a route page 2. So just enter the this command, and you can able to generate both this component inside our component folder. Okay, you can see that there is a component folder and there is a route 1 page and route page 2. Don't worry about this is my previous tutorial. If you do not if you not watch it, kindly go to my channel and watch this tutorial here. Okay, okay, so what we are going to do is, this is creating the 4 files, this is also creating the 4 files for us, and after that creating the 4 files, we have to import that component here. Okay, so I write here the command from so to / app component and the route page 1 and route page 1 component. Okay, similarly I just copy it for route page 2. Okay, so route page 1 component and route page 2 component. Okay, so what we do here is we just import our both the generated component here, and inside this array we have to create two objects with the we have to provide the two values, path and the component. Okay, so our first component is router page 1 component. Just we have imported that, and similarly I just copy it, give comma here and paste it out here, and here I will write route page 2 component. Okay, and here you can give any path. I am giving the R1 for route page 1 and R2 for route page 2. Okay, so you can give any path, okay, and the component name should be this name. Okay, so that's it for this file, and we move into the component HTML. We will create two anchor tags. So this is page 1, and I will break the line and add another anchor tag and right here page 2. Okay, that's it, and we just have to write here router link. Okay, what is router link is? So router link is specifies the path which we want to redirect. Okay, we want to specify the path. So what is the specified path? When we have clicked this page 1, so we have to redirect to this path. Okay, just copy this R1 and paste it out here like this with the forward slash. Okay, and similarly I just copy it for page 2. I just copy here. Okay, and here I just change it to page 2 and this. But for router link directive we have to use the router outlet here. Okay, so we have to write like this. Okay, so if we now run our application, so it will when we click on the page 1 it will redirect to R1, and if we click on page 2 it will redirect to R2. Okay, I just made 3 tags, so don't worry. Okay, so yes guys, our application is running successfully on the browser. So we can able to see these two anchor tags. When we click page 1, so you can see the URL also. See that our RH1 route page 1 works, and it will give us the path like this in the URL. And when we click on the page 2, see route 2 page works. Okay, so this is how we can redirect from one page to another. So similar way, if you want to redirect by using a TS file, then we have to do something like this. This is page 1. I will get another PR here. Okay, and this is page 2. Okay, and I will create one function here, click function. Okay, and write here function name. Okay, one second, just copy it and paste it out here. Okay, so here in a ts file we have to import the router. Import statement from @angular router. Okay, and here we have to import a router like this, and we will create one constructor first. So private for route, so that's it. And we will create redirect function names, redirect one, and like this dot we have to use the r dot navigate by URL, and here you just have to write r1. That's it, guys. So you can navigate by like this also. So I will create a similar function, redirect one like redirect two, and here also I will direct to, and I will copy it and paste it out here, and similarly copy it, paste it out here, just change the name, direct to, and that's it, guys. So we should able to redirect this. So let's run the application. Oh, it's slow. I just write up PRs here, PR. Okay. Yeah. So I will click on this page one. See that route measure works, and you can see the URL as well, and yes, route page 2 is also works. So okay, guys, so this is how we can redirect using the ts file, and this is how we can redirect from HTML. Okay, so that's it, guys. So kindly like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.